Welcome to Cooking Up History. Today we're going to be making a dish from the first Thanksgiving. Now we all celebrate Thanksgiving. And how much do you know about the first Thanksgiving? We're going to set sail on the Mayflower. Do you know the Mayflower only went 2 miles an hour? That's very slow. Pilgrims arrived in Plymouth, Massachusetts in November of 1620. It was an awful first year, and nearly half of the settlers died. Thankfully, they met a Native American named Squanto who spoke English and taught them how to plant corn. Thanksgiving was nearly a week-long celebration, celebrating the successful harvest. Did you know they did not eat turkey at this feast? They ate goose, duck, lobster, fish, venison, or deer, and of course, corn! Pie was not on the menu. So what did they eat for dessert? They had Frumenty, which is what we are going to be making today. What is Frumenty, though? Frumenty is an old-fashioned dish that was popular in England, where the Pilgrims came from. It's a cooked porridge. It's a porridge that is cooked in milk. Ingredients to make Frumenty are cornmeal, 2 cups of water, cinnamon, nutmeg, milk, and an apple. Now you need to chop your apple. Be very careful of the recipe. It is posted in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe and click that bell. Now we are going to bring the 2 cups of water to a boil. Fine. 1 cup of cornmeal and 1 cup of milk with a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon and a ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. We're going to stir to combine this. Add the apples to the cornmeal mix and then stir. Add this to the boiling water. Now we're going to slowly pour a little bit at a time of the apple cornmeal mix. Toss in some currants, that's dried fruit, like raisins. Now we're going to stir this and reduce it to a simmer. Now be sure to stir this every once in a while. Simmers for about 15 minutes. It should be ready. 10 minutes when it's almost ready. Frumenty's ready, and now it's time to try it. I'm very excited. This is really good. But it's missing something. Something that all desserts have. Except, a few. The sugar. But we can always fix that with a little bit of honey. Pie. I think I'll stick to pie this Thanksgiving.